Hello everyone, this is Ozil. Welcome back to my channel. And today class is ECM training class 15. In this video, we will discuss about how 12 voltage travel inside the board when main relay on. First of all, when we turn on the ignition on the time, ECM get 12 voltage, and then ECM out ground for main relay. Main relay out 12 voltage when it get ground from ECM. Main relay out 12 voltage, and this 12 voltage goes to ECM pin number 1 or 3. So when ECM pin 1 3 get 12 voltage, on that time how 12 voltage travel inside the board we will discuss step by step. As you know that every company have different pinouts, like sometimes 30 relays pin number 30 connect to ECM pin number 1 3, and 87 connect 12 voltage. It can reverse also. The working of relay is like a switch, so that's why we call electromagnetic switch. So when this voltage come to the ECM pin, and inside the board, first our 12 voltage goes to coil. This coil's working is boost the voltage and stop the fluctuation, and boost the voltage to maintain the 1 voltage, and after goes to the two capacitors. That's called polarized capacitor. Why we call the polarized? Because one side of this capacitor have the negative marking and another side is positive. That's why we called polarized capacitor. Some peoples also say electrolytic capacitor. So many names are there. If you have a some nickname, so that's also have nickname and many types of name. So my ambition is you have to understand what I want to say. So normally we know about the capacitor. This is the capacitors. Polar capacitor means it have a pole. That's why we call polar capacitor or polarized capacitor. After that, when the 12 voltage get polarized capacitor, then also goes to the one coil. This is the high wrapped coil, high rounded coil. This coil used for high side injector section, or this coil used for creating the high voltage like 48, 47, 46 voltage. And this is the diode. It is not a MOSFET. This looking like a MOSFET, but this is the diode. Yes. And this coil is 620 TG. Okay. And this is the MOSFET. This is the N channel MOSFET. One side of MOSFET is connected to the ground and another side is connected to the injector IC, and its drain connected to this coil. When we supply the PWM in this MOSFET, on the time it will be work. And also this 12 volt goes to the power IC. I have a many power IC like 40041, but now we have a 30680 power IC. Okay, this IC pin number 20 have 12 voltage. If this voltage is not getting the IC, it will not scan, it will not work properly, nothing communicate, no communication. Why? Because the ECM is getting nothing voltage, it will not work. And this is the injector driver. As you see, injector driver also have direct 12 voltage. So this is the injector driver, this is the power IC, and also goes to the throttle IC. Mainly used many ACM for that, but throttle IC commonly used because throttle IC upside and downside also goes 12 voltage, because throttle is opening and closing. That's why we used this 12 voltage to operate the throttle motors and throttle flaps. Okay, so this 12 voltage also goes to here, upside and downside, and this also goes to downside, upside and downside. So here this is the full working, how 12 voltage travel inside the ECM when our main relay on. So this is the procedure, and this is the procedure to understand. Guys, if you got knowledge from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And actually we have lots of work, so we can't we are unable to upload the video, but I'm trying to manage my time, and I will make video on it in detail. And some is the language barrier also, so I will work on it also. These all are 12 voltage distribution. Okay, these all are 12 voltage, nothing another voltage. This is only for 12 voltage. So by the way, after next this video we will discuss about the ADC 16C29 in detail, injector section and all. And this pins also ground, because every ECM have 6 big pin, thick pin. So on that pin, half used for 12 voltage main relay and half used for ground. So as you know guys, this is whole structure of 12 voltage distribution after main relay. This is the high side of injector section. This 620 TG used for high side, 48 voltage created here when this MOSFET get PWM modulations. PWM means pulse width modulations. It is the duty cycle, it is the on off cycle. Okay, and here in next video we will discuss about the 6-pin transistors, 6-pin MOSFET and 6-pin IC, how we use this 6 voltage. This is when you see this IC, we saw FW, 6W, 5WD, these types of name. So next video we will discuss. As you see here, this is the 6 lakhs IC, and we will discuss in next video in detail. I am working on it. So guys, if you get knowledge from this channel, please share my channel, and do comment. This is good, you comment good. If this is not good, comment not good. Okay, so thanks for watching.